Good morning, happy Friday, and welcome to another wrap-up video of my newsletter, AI versus Marshy, where I am a growth marketer chronicling what's happening with AI trends today. And let's jump straight into it. So if you don't know, you can go to lukemarshall.net/newsletter, get the written form of the newsletter, and if not, you can just enjoy this video. Hey, it's pretty good. Today, I cover just some light topics. The AI weaponization of drones are being announced or considered by the Pentagon, including other countries like Russia and Australia. No, sorry, I don't think Russia is. They're not saying no. So I'm not sure what's going on. And then point to a movie that was made 5 years ago. An AI tool for good. I used to work in a tech for good role. I love this space, and I think there's a big upside with AI tools that can be used. I'll talk through that in a moment. And then signs that AI is moving into hardware. So let's get started. Wasn't weaponized drones around 5 years ago? Yeah, I've worked in tech for a very long time, and sometimes when I see announcements, I'm like, I've seen this movie before, and that's literally what happened. So if you click here and go Slaughterbots, it's just slightly under. Ooh, we'll just wait for this ad. I didn't. You can tell I record this live. There, 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 there. Just yeah, this was a film called Slaughterbots. Let's move it across here. And basically, a tech bro announces, drones powered by AI, but something goes wrong and the devices start scanning social media and then, move into universities and kill people who have a particular political persuasion. This sounds absolutely crazy, but yeah, this is the potential with technology like this. It's not far away to consider. And check out this one. The Pentagon is working toward deploying swarms of thousands of AI-enabled drones, according to notice published earlier this year. And it's literally a scene from Slaughterbots, the swarms coming to get the people. Anyway, what to do? Let's flip it using AI for good. So Eureka is a product that came out of aiforgood.org. I love this space. I've followed it locally. I've met Kaz, who runs Purpose-Led AI. If you're a nonprofit and interested in using AI tools, definitely reach out. And the prototype that AI for Good have built is called Eureka. The reason this is of interest to me is it's looking to help connect displaced refugees in Europe with essentials. So, where do I get my passport? How do I upload my birth certificate? How do I prove I am who I am? And there's so many issues that spring up instantly when someone's displaced from their home country. Some of them are access to cash, finding medical support, finding specific medical support. Where do you get tampons? What if you're pregnant? There's a huge array. And the reason I sort of know a bit more about it than usual is my old employer, Whisper. We tried building a prototype for the UN that looked to coordinate messaging for people coming out of hotspots. And I think, this is a step in the right direction. So kudos to AF for good for releasing that or striving to. And last, I thought I'd close with hardware becoming another battleground for AI. I mentioned Humane's AI pin in edition 10. It's like 12 weeks ago, no, 14 weeks ago. But yeah, it's definitely becoming a thing. Whether it'll be like the pin, we should buy like a phone, or Apple's Vision Pro, the augmented reality goggles, or it could potentially be Neuralink. I mentioned them last week, and since then, hot off the press, Neuralink have quietly raised an additional $43 million. Now, then plenty of faults there, like rigorous breach, not breaches, but evil animal testing, and I think, I think their perspective is the means justifies the end. So, but will AI be controlled via, the humane pin or some wizard hat that I mentioned last week, or something else? Who knows? So that's the addition of AI versus Marshy completed again for another week. If you've read this, if you've watched this far, thank you very much. And just down the bottom, I mentioned my newsletter. I'm going to do a marketing newsletter. I've enjoyed this a lot. It's a passion project. It's more for fun. And I think I'm going to do a marketing newsletter on Mondays. But stay tuned and get in touch if you want more information about that. Thanks. Have a good weekend. Happy Friday. Marshy. This is my newsletter. Be good.